So you say you want chicken wings. I'll give you some chicken wings.
First step is to get some chicken wings. If they're frozen, make sure they're fully thawed and bring them up to room temperature. That'll ensure that you don't get a big old grease fire on your hands. To make the world's best chicken wings, you don't require much. In terms of tools, you need a deep saucepan or a Dutch oven. That works great. A metal bowl, slotted spoon or tongs to pull your wings out, a thermometer. For your dry mix, you're only needing flour, salt, and pepper. For your wet mix, you need eggs and water, and you've got a canola oil to fry them in, and of course, the delicious chicken wings, and whatever sauce you want to put on them.
You want enough oil in the pan just to cover the wings. And then you want to turn your stove. I have an electric stove, and right about there, just past number 5 or medium heat, is where you want to be. And while your oil's heating up, that's when you start breading your wings.
So for just over 3 pounds of wings, I use 2 eggs and whisk some water to make my egg wash, and that's all you need to do there. In terms of breading, I just have flour, salt, and pepper, depending on your taste, how much salt or pepper you like, and set up your station so that you're ready to bread.
So once you've got your station ready, take a chicken wing one at a time. You put it into your egg wash. Make sure you knock off any excess moisture. Then into your flour mixture, flour, salt, pepper. That's it. And you make sure they're fully coated so that the yolk is, not showing anymore, because you want that nice yolk underneath. Make it nice and golden brown. And then once it's like that, you knock off any extra flour and you put it on your other plate.
So now that your wings are breaded and ready to go, you should check your oil temperature. It should be sitting right around 350.
So once you're done breading everything, as Rosie can show you here, everything's all breaded. Now it's time to put it into the oil. So the oil's at, as you saw from the last pictures, at 350 degrees now. And you want to keep it no higher than 375. So now it's time to drop your wings in. So normally you don't want to crowd the pan. You want to just drop as many wings as will fit in your area. So for this one, it's about 8 wings.
Dad, how long does it take to cook?
It takes 8 minutes. So you want to set your timer. So once they're all dropped and they're all covered by oil, just like that,
Yeah.
you set your timer for 8 minutes. And when that timer goes off, they're ready to go. Alright, so the timer just went off. It's been 8 minutes. Come see, Rosie. See how they're nice and golden brown now? Ooh, okay, it's time to pull them out. So I got a plate with paper towel just to catch some of the excess grease. Pulling out the wings. We could use the slotted spoon too. On this way, you have less grease on each wing. And then before adding more chicken, you want to get these hot wings right in
The bowl and with salt and pepper?
Yeah, you want to get them into that bowl right away, okay? So you dump them in, right? And then all you do,
You shake it
yeah, is shake them around. You give them a nice shaky.
so they're coated.
Salt and pepper, yeah. And that's it.
And there's also a barbecue, right? That we're not putting that on right now.
Well, what we're doing right now is after this is done, you just wait for them to cool, and you put them on another plate, and then you eat them. That's it. Okay, so you can put the sauce inside the bowl when you're tossing with salt and pepper, but I would always suggest to toss with salt and pepper first because it really coats it, and then add the sauce after. What I'm using right now is the Hooligan Fuel Hot Sauce Chernobyl. It's pretty hot, but the proper way to eat a chicken wing is you'll see the tiny bone here. You pull that one right out, and they'll be like that because they're still hot and great. And right here, you just got the big bone, right? So you just grab the end of the big bone. Ah! It's hot. And you dip it in. And then you...
Why are you doing that to yourself?
But they're delicious.
So once you get your mouth feeling back, you can enjoy them with the whole family. The kids like plain salt and pepper. My wife likes barbecue sauce, and I like the local hot sauce Heartbeat and Hooligan Fuel. Try to get your wings locally. They taste better, and we'll see you on the next one.